Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Great. Would you like any milk or sugar in your coffee?
Yes, a little milk and 1 spoon of sugar, please.
No problem. Would you like to try any flavor? Like vanilla or caramel?
Vanilla sounds nice. Let's add that.
Perfect. Anything else for you today?
Yes, could I also get a chocolate muffin?
Of course. Would you like it warmed up?
Yes, please, that would be great.
All right, a medium vanilla coffee and a warm chocolate muffin. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. How much is it?
That'll be $6.50, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a moment.
Thanks a lot. I can't wait for my coffee.
Hello?
Hey Sarah, it's Jake.
Oh, hey. How are you?
I'm good, you?
I'm doing great. Just relaxing.
Nice. Are you busy right now?
Not really. Just watching TV.
Cool, I won't keep you long.
No worries. What's up?
I was wondering if you're free this weekend.
I think I am. Why?
I'm planning a little get-together.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, just a few friends, nothing big.
Where is it?
At my place, Saturday evening.
What time should I come?
Around 6:30 maybe.
Sounds perfect.
Great, can you bring anything?
Sure. What do you need?
Maybe some drinks or snacks.
I can bring chips and soda.
That's perfect, thanks.
How many people are coming?
Around 8 or 9.
Anyone I know?
Yeah, Sam, Lily, Tom.
Oh, nice. I haven't seen them in ages.
Exactly. It'll be like a mini reunion.
I'm excited already.
Me too, it's been too long.
Do you want me to help set up?
That would be amazing.
What time should I come over?
Maybe around 5.
Okay. I'll be there.
Awesome, thanks again.
Of course. What are we eating?
Pizza and wings mostly.
Classic choice.
You know me, simple and good.
I'll skip lunch that day.
Smart move.
Do you need music?
I've got a playlist ready.
Great.
But you can DJ too if you want.
Deal.
Oh, bring your camera.
Good idea. Let's take lots of pics.
Definitely memories.
Are we playing games too?
Yes, I've got cards and board games.
Can't wait.
It'll be chill and fun.
My kind of night.
I'm glad you can make it.
I wouldn't miss it.
Cool, I'll send you the location again.
I still have it saved.
Just in case.
All right.
Anything else you need to know?
Nope. I'm all set.
Okay, I'll see you Saturday.
Yep, I'll be there at 5.
Looking forward to it?
Same here. Take care.
Oh, and wear something comfy.
Got it. No heels this time.
Ha ha, smart choice.
I'll also bring my speaker, just in case.
Perfect. Backup is always good.
Saturday can't come soon enough.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Jake. Hi there. Welcome to KFC.
Hi, thanks.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so.
Great. What would you like today?
I'm in the mood for some fried chicken.
Good choice. How many pieces would you like?
Maybe 6 pieces.
Original or spicy?
Let's go with spicy.
Okay, 6 spicy pieces. Would you like a combo or just chicken?
What comes in the combo?
You'll get fries, a drink, and a biscuit.
Sounds good. I'll take the combo.
What drink would you like?
Pepsi, please.
Regular or large?
Just regular is fine.
Got it. Would you like any sauces?
Yes, barbecue and ranch.
Sure. Anything else?
Can I also get a small coleslaw?
Absolutely.
And maybe a chocolate chip cookie.
1 cookie coming right up.
That's all for now.
Perfect. Let me repeat your order.
Sure.
6-piece spicy combo with fries, Pepsi, biscuit, barbecue, and ranch sauces, 1 small coleslaw and a cookie.
Yes, that's correct.
Your total is 42.50 SAR.
Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here's your receipt.
Thanks.
Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
No problem. I'll wait here.
It smells so good, doesn't it?
Yes, I've been craving this all day.
Busy day?
Very. I skipped lunch.
Then this meal will taste even better.
I bet it will.
Do you come here often?
Once or twice a month.
That's great.
The service is always good here.
Thank you. That means a lot.
And the chicken is always crispy.
That's what we're known for.
My friends love it too.
You should bring them next time.
I will. We could make it a group lunch.
Sounds like fun.
Do you work every day?
Almost. I'm here 5 days a week.
That's a lot.
It is, but I enjoy it.
That's good to hear.
Your order is ready.
Oh, great.
Here's your bag. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Come back soon.
I definitely will. Bye.
Bye.
Good morning. That smells amazing.
Morning! I made pancakes with honey and berries.
Wow. They look perfect. Can I have one?
Of course! Here, try this one with extra syrup.
That's delicious. Did you make the syrup yourself?
No, it's store-bought. But I added a little cinnamon.
Nice touch. So, what's the plan for today?
I was thinking we could go to the park. And maybe take some photos?
That sounds fun. It's such a beautiful day outside.
Yeah, the sun is shining perfectly. Do you want some coffee with your breakfast?
Yes, please. Black, like usual.
Got it. By the way, Did you finish that book you were reading?
Not yet, but I'm almost done. The ending is really intense.
I can't wait to hear about it. We should discuss it later.
Absolutely. Oh, don't forget. We also have that movie night tonight.
Right, I already picked a movie. It's a comedy.
Perfect. Comedies always make the evening better.
Agreed. Hey, can you pass the butter?
Sure. Here you go.
Thanks. Okay, let's finish breakfast and head out to enjoy this sunny day.
If you have found the video useful, please press the like button.
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Morning. I'd love a cappuccino, please.
Coming right up. Would you like it regular or large?
Just regular. Thank you.
Great choice. Would you like any sugar with that?
No, thanks. I like it just as it is.
Here you go. One regular cappuccino.
Wow, it smells amazing.
I'm glad you think so. We use freshly ground beans every day.
That explains the aroma. Do you make latte art too?
I do. I made a little heart on yours, see?
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you for learning with us. Consistent practice leads to real improvement. Continue engaging with English daily, and your confidence will grow naturally. See you next time.